Hello everyone, I'm Aditya and welcome to this digital painting video, and today we'll do the digital painting and portrait of MS Dhoni. No doubt he is a phenomenal personality, great wicketkeeper, cool captain, and for everyone he is Thala. That's MSD for you. Then first we'll start with his hair part. I'm zooming in for better accuracy and details. After doing the hair part, we'll go to beard, and I'm taking the lighter shade of black for beard to match the skin tone. We'll do in patches. We'll do the beard and the little hair part in a different layer so it won't overlap each other. The zooming in will help in catching the tracing the image properly and manage the accuracy a bit more, which is very important while doing the portrait. After all this beard and hair, we'll go to the eye. Now in the turn of eyebrows, and I'm just checking the layers which can eliminate the actual image to know where I'm going wrong, where I need to do some more details, and undo that, and doing this will help a bit. Eyes are very important in portraits, so a little bit extra focus on eyes while doing on tracing the image. I'm randomly taking the muscle part where the blinks are going on and off. So by practicing much and much, we can do that. I'm working on the shadows part in the face, where the shadows are going a little bit lighter and where it is a little bit dark. You can check the actual image by eliminating the actual image. We can see the traceable parts. I choose the painting because I'm a huge Dhoni fan, and his achievements, personality, presence of mind, it just fascinates everyone. From childhood, I'm looking forward his cricket, his career, his personality. It's bit of a more charming and now the face part is over. I'm working on the his shirt and the background. I'm actually not doing the background because the white background contrasts the image in a portrait. I think the neck needs to be more shadowed, so I'm doing that. The lip part is remaining, so I'm working on the details in his teeth. There is some shadows, a bit darker shadows, so I'm working on that. A very lighter shadow in the jawline. There's some more accurate details in the hair, so it looks bit of nice. Okay, so being calm and polite, that's a very good quality in MS Dhoni. And thank you for watching my videos.